Alright, what's up guys? So I hope you're all having a great day. So I made a video a little ways back on how to basically deep clean inside the gas cap on your car, because basically it's something that gets really dirty that you don't really think about. And so here you can see I have my twin turbo 350Z, and if you look at the gas cap on it, well, I gotta open up the gas cap. So if you look at the gas cap, it's not too dirty in here, but it's not as clean as it was after I cleaned it, because it's actually been a while. But I will go ahead and roll all of the clips from this video just to show you guys exactly what I did. Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to super clean your gas cap, and you're just going to need a few tools. What I need is a simple hose, some citrus cleaner and degreaser. This is Detail Kings, it could be any kind. And then any kind of brush that can help. Now, this is a lug nut brush and this is a rim brush, but it'll get around everywhere you need. So to start out, you just want to completely rinse down the surface. Next, just go ahead and start spraying your degreaser. Alright guys, and like that, you can see how much better this gas cap looks. I hope this video was really helpful, and it'll help you guys clean all of your gas caps just to make your ride even cleaner. Let's see, is there anything else to cover about that? Use brushes. Make sure you use a degreaser. You can use a soap to get any of it off, but a soap isn't going to be able to cut down anything on it. So a degreaser is going to help break down everything, and yeah. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure that covers just about everything. Use a degreaser to help break down any of the road grime, just grease, anything that's underneath there. Use a brush to help agitate it. Don't use anything too stiff, because you don't want to scratch up the surface, because that's just unnecessary. And then also just be light with the water. Just use what you need, and don't try to force anything in there with a pressure washer. Just use a very low power stream. So with that being said, I hope this video could help you guys out and help you guys clean out your gas caps. So thank you, take care, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.